how to fix your phone when it stops working for no reason. Phones are getting smarter and more advanced. You can put any information in your phone and they're getting even thinner. But sometimes it gets some problems and it will become dead phones. But I have a solution for that. If you have a dead phone, first bring it and then try to force it and come back. Like 15 or 10 seconds will be enough. Don't put it more far. And you must wait until the sign show up. Like Galaxy for Galaxies and iPad for iPad, iPhone, Huawei, whatever phone you have, the sign must come. But don't put it more further than 15 seconds. But there is another one. If that one doesn't work, you can put your phone back and plug it in with your charger, and you must at least charge it about 10 minutes. Yeah, just charge it 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes you must force it, and until it come back you must wait. Then until if it come back after 15 or 10 seconds, then you can use your Android again. And there are another issues too. If this hack doesn't work, you can go to ask a professional engineer of phones, so you can use that. And you can use your memory card, so that if you have an important and if you lost your phone, you can get it on your memory card. So download all the files on your memory card. It will be important. I hope this hack was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and beat the like. I'll make another video if it reaches 1000 likes.